Okay. Good morning students. Today we are going to learn about the concept of ratio and proportion. Now over here exercise 8.1, find the ratio in the simplest form. Ratio in the simplest form, 60 paisa and 4 rupees. Now over here you can see a spelling of paisa and over here rupees. Are they same? No, over here it is in paisa and over here it is in rupees. So convert a greater number into smaller unit. So over here rupees is greater over here, so convert it into paisa. So over here 1 rupees is equal to how much? 100 paisa. 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa. So 4 rupees will be equal to 4 into 100, which will be giving me as 400 paisa. Okay, so 400 paisa. Now see over here, it is also in 60 paisa, this is also in 400 paisa. So are they same? Yes. So what we will do? 60 upon 400, both are in the same paisa and paisa, so I can divide it. Over here cutting, 0 will be getting cut, 6 and 0 I am coming in table of 2, so divided by, both the number are getting divided by the same number. In 2 level where 6 is coming, 3, over here 20. So now we can be divided further. No, why? Because in table of 3 20 is not coming. If it was in 21 we can divide it, but it is over here 20. So both are coming in different table, so it cannot be simplified further. See over here, both the numbers should be divided by same number only. Over here numerator and denominator is being divided by same number only. Okay, so this is our simplest form. Okay, understood? Over here question number 2, 1.28 meter to 320 centimeter, 3 meter 20 centimeter. Over here 1.28 meter, over here 3 meter and 20 centimeter is given. So I can convert this, so I will write as 1.28 meter. Now over here what is 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Okay, so I can write as 3.20 meter, or else I will write, see over here in the meter is there, so point is there, but if I am converting this in centimeter, how it will be? 128 centimeter. Why? Because 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So I have converted 1 meter into 100 centimeter. So it will be getting 100 plus 28 will be giving me as 128 centimeter. So over here I am writing, okay. So 128 centimeter and over here 320 centimeter. Now see, both are in the same concept. So what I will do? Divide. So divide by 320. Okay. Now 8 and 0 both are coming in table of 2. In 2 table where 12 is coming, because 1 is not coming in table of 2. So we are taking that both numbers. So 2 6 are 12, 2 4 are 8. Now 2 1 are 2, 1 is remainder over here. So it is getting as 12, 2 6 are 12 and over here 0. Now again 4 and 0, so it is again coming in table of 2. Okay. Now in table of 2 where 6 is coming, 3 are and 2 are 4. Okay. Now 160, so over here 2 8 are 60 and over here again 0. Now 2 and 0. Now if I am dividing again by 2, so much space will be required, but you can see over here 32 and 80 are coming in table of 16. So again I am writing over here as 32 upon 80. The same number I am writing is because space is not there. Okay. Now over here I am dividing by 16. Okay. In 16 table where 32 is coming, 16 2 are 32. In 16 table where 80 is coming, 16 5 are 80. So what is the simplest form? 2 upon 5. Okay, understood over here? See, 1.28 meter was there and 3.20, because it is in a meter, so I converted centimeter also, I converted into meter. So but 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So now I am converting this meter into centimeter, this meter into centimeter. So both are in the centimeter, so we can divide it now. Okay, understood? Now moving on to our question number C. Over here the question is 20 minutes to 2 hours. 20 minutes to 2 hours. Now one is there in the minutes, other is there in the hours. So which is the greater number? That is the hours. So hours I can convert it into minutes. So 1 hour is equal to how much minutes? 60 minutes. Okay. Therefore, my 2 hours will be equal to 60 multiplied by 2, which will be giving me as 120 seconds. Now 120 minutes. Okay. So now over here also in minutes, over here also in minutes. So are they same? Minutes and over here minutes, are they same? Yes. So what I will do? 20 upon 120. 0 and 0 will be getting cancelled. Now 2 and 12 both are coming in table of 2. So 2 1 are 2 and 2 6 are 12. So over here 1 is to 6. Understood over here? Now we are continuing with our question number 2.